Every bite, crunchy bite. Wow, I love you. There are some really innovative dishes which travel and they become absolutely famous. Today we are going to make this Chilli Paneer Paratha. And the paratha from the south on the way picks up paneer and it goes to China and makes this awesome chili paratha. It is very tasty. You will get that crunch and I am telling you, absolutely fabulous. You got to try. When it is fried, the paratha will become nice and crunchy and you will be amazed with the sauce how wonderful it is. Very, very hot. Hello, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. Today we are going to learn this chilli paratha. This is very famous and very, very tasty. In some of the restaurants, they have this Chinese section where they make this paratha in combination. And it became so famous. First, you have to learn how to make the paratha. For making this paratha, we are going to use all-purpose flour. Once in a while, all-purpose flour, because I know some of you will write, oh, white flour, bad, and everything. Once in a while, it's okay. Mix, add water and oil. Make this into a very soft dough. Unlike chapati, this has to be even more softer. Add little extra oil, add water, mix it and make it into a soft dough. Just like bread dough, this takes in around 55% of the flour. Once you knead it good, this will get, the gluten will form and it will stretch and you will see how wonderful you can make this paratha. So it is all about kneading. Just give it 1 minute and it will absorb all the moisture. After it absorbs the moisture, you got to knead it. Knead it as much as you can and this will become nice, soft, and it has to be literally, the dough has to be kind of sticky. Once this dough is done, you are going to convert them into little pedas. From the pedas, you will make these paratha rounds and we are going to roll this and I am going to show you a technique with which they make this. Every process need resting. Why do we need to rest? The gluten will stretch back like elastic. I roll this and I kind of rested it. I made into a peda and rested it. Add some oil, roll this, even thin if you can roll, it is fine. After that, the technique is very simple. You take this paratha and kind of, you stretch it, you pull it with the hands. Then once again. So you keep stretching it till this become kind of thin. Add some more oil, just rub all of this. On one side, you lift it like this. Now what happens is, it stretches, there is an air gap in between, just rotate it like this. You are going to make them into roundels like this. So just leave them. Now if you try to make this into a paratha, it will again stretch back. You have to let it rest at least for 15 minutes. Then you can roll this into a paratha. This one has been rested for 15 minutes very carefully because there is lot of oil. This will kind of slide, just lot of layers. Only after resting you will be able to do it like this. And don't remove it right away. Again it will stretch back. Just sit there for a minute and then you are going to cook this on a hot pan. Cook it on a hot tawa. Once it is cooked on one side, turn to the other side. When it is cooked well, then you are going to cut into small pieces and we are going to fry it and then we are going to make a nice Chinese sauce and add to it. And you will see how wonderful and perfect this is going to be. These layers will come out, you will see later anyway. But for this paratha, just make sure, cook it on a medium heat till it gets slight coloring and that's it. Make couple of them and then I am going to show you what to do next. When you have these parathas, just line it up, take a pizza cutter, cut them into small pieces. That should be good. Now you have lot of these small pieces, the paratha, which we are going to fry and you are going to thoroughly enjoy. For making this paneer, we are going to add the paneer pieces. Just cut into small pieces, add into the oil. You can use tofu or anything. Just toss in the oil a little bit. Let the paneer get slightly stir fried. A little bit of salt. When the paneer pieces fry a little bit, in this add garlic, ginger, green chili, add onion, capsicum, add little bit of water. This will become the sauce. If you have vegetable stock or chicken stock, it's even more better. Add soya sauce, chili sauce. In this, add some ketchup. At the end of it, the taste has to be good. Now the masalas, little bit of garam masala powder, some chili powder. You're going to taste it. Adjust the salt while this is getting cooked. In the hot oil, the paratha pieces, whatever we have done, fry there. We're going to add vinegar, the crispy fried bread. You know, is going to sizzle in this. Add some corn flour slurry. The sauce will get slightly thickened. Now the paneer, everything is ready. Hear the most awesome sizzling sound. Take this fried bread, put it in this and switch off the flame and toss it. With that sauce, the chilli paneer paratha, some chopped coriander, spring onion, give one more toss and ready to serve. All the juices will be absorbed, still they will be crunchy and perfect. So here comes the awesome paneer chilli paratha. Look at the few pieces of paneer, even if they are slightly crushed, it's okay. The vegetables, the capsicum, onions, everything. Perfect. The crunch should be there in the paratha, the onions and everything. Top it up, some more of spring onion and your chilli paratha is ready. A paneer piece and the paratha will be super tasty. Dear friends, the crunch, everything, oh, very, very hot. You can't stop eating these crunchy bites. Make it for your family and very easy to make. You saw how to make the paratha. You cut it, fry it and make a simple Chinese sauces and add to it. When you can make this kind of awesome food, your kids will fall in love with your food. And when the best food is eaten, you got to say, Vareva. Every bite, crunchy bite. Wow, I love you. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Mani.